Hi, this is Jayla DuPont, and this is some of my poetry. This is called Like a Butterfly. Like a butterfly. I'm not a politician, but I'd like to help. I'm just a small town girl, but I'll try to be brave. Like seaweed swaying in the ocean, the gladiolas dance in the wind, tantalize with beauty all the pissed off men. I think it speaks for itself, but basically it's about how men are basically angry, and I don't really want to be in politics because I don't really trust them. And even though I struggle with my weight, I feel like I'm not that ugly, and I'm not that stupid either. And basically, I know all the dirty names they'll call me, and I really don't feel like putting up with that any more than I have to. And that's all I have to say about politics. Sorry, I'm not running.